The order has been complied. Yeah.
We are seeking a short passover, if my lords would permit. We wanted to file a rejoinder for the remaining post. It's ready. It is being filed. My lords could kindly pass over because the remaining 984 post, my lord had given me the opportunity to file a rejoinder.
This contempt petition has not been filed with regard to 954 post vacant at recruitment.
Can I clarify that?
Been complied with, therefore.
No, Mullah, this has not been complied. If I can just make that good with my lords. Mullah, can I just give me 30 seconds? I will explain, my lords.
This is between this court and versus contemner.
Yes, my lords. But that
you have already assessed this court.
My lords.
And I have found that with record that order has been complied with.
My lords, can I just make a submission? I leave it there, my lords. I kindly consider this. The contempt has been filed regarding non-compliance of an order of this court, my lords, of April 24. What is the order of this court? Just give me 1 minute, my lords. My lords are very well aware and my lords have always been very patient. The order of this court said the list has to be redrawn. The list was qua the main appointment, my lords, and the list includes these 984 posts. So when the list has to be redrawn, it cannot be done after ignoring a part of the vacant post, my lords. When the order of this court was specific to the entire list being redrawn, kindly see that order of 2nd April, which was confirmed up to the Honorable Supreme Court. That says that the list has to be redrawn. The question that I put to myself is, can a person 80% redraw the list and let the 20% be left over? This is the problem, that 984 is a distinction made by the government. The order does not make a distinction. The order categorically says that remove B.Ed and redraw the list. Now the list includes the total vacancy. The total vacancy includes 984. So therefore, my lords, what I am trying to reach at is that it is merely a partial compliance. If the order of this court would have been with respect to specific, if the order of this court would have been with respect to specific number of posts, I understand, my lords, I couldn't have pressed this contempt petition. But the operative part of the order of this Honorable Court Division Bench says list has to be redrawn. Now, list has to be redrawn for the entire vacancy, my lords, because the vacancy was one, the advertisement was one. Meanwhile, they say that we will remove certain people from that list. Who are they to say, my lords, is the question that I put to myself. It nowhere says that the list has to be redrawn with respect to specific people.
Okay.
The point that I am trying to ultimately reach at is...
I have heard learned counsel for the respective parties at length. Learned counsel for the petitioners contended that order of this court has not been complied with. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondent contended that order of this court has complied with letter and the spirit of the order of this court. I have perused this court has passed the order in WPS number 3541 of 2023 along with other connected WPS on 2nd April 2024. Operative portion of the order is under for the foregoing reasons the writ petitions. The direction wala post one ye, the state government is directed to rearrange by excluding the candidates participated in the selection process having qualification of B.Ed. This exercise deserves to be completed within a period of 6 weeks from today. Then the writ petitions are allowed in the extent indicated herein above, no cost. Learned counsel for the respondent contended that state has rearranged the selection list in accordance with the provisions of the rules by excluding the candidates participated in the selection process having qualification of B.Ed.
My submission is they have partially done. Oh, I'm sorry.
Deputy Director, order of the Sanchepika. Deputy Director, Lok Shikshan Sanchalnay, Chhattisgarh. on perusal of the document, this court of the considered view that order of this court has been complied with. If any grievances left with the petitioners, they assail the order of this court, the order of the respondent before the appropriate bench.
Manoj, can I just take 10 seconds
Closed
more?
and disposed of.
Manoj, can I just take 10 seconds, Manoj? I'm so grateful, Manoj. Would Manoj at least consider just recording my submission to this extent? Manoj, only I heard that, Manoj. Just one thing, Manoj. I'm sorry, Manoj. Only on this fact that they have not rearranged the entire vacancy. That is very, very important, Manoj.
They have not arranged the entire
Rearrange the entire vacancy as per the advertisement. That is all.
On that part, my contention is the lifespan of that post has been.
Manoj, there was no stay. I'm sorry.
The lifespan of that post has been gone.
Manoj, when did it go? That's very important. I'm sorry. If that is what they are saying, when did
No, don't.
Manoj, just 5 more. I'm sorry, Manoj. I'm pushing for it.
That review is pending. One of the reviews decided, but review against this Vijay Gupta,